Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to run Facebook ads for Shopify step-by-step tutorial. So let's get started. First of all, on the screen, we are looking at Shopify, and this is the Shopify page which I recently created. And the first thing you need to do once you log into your Shopify, on the left side of the menu, you need to find Add Application option over here, as you can see, and you can also find this in the settings. If you click on that and click on Apps and Sales Channels, you can just click on Shopify App Store as well. Once you click on that, you will end up in the App Store of Shopify. So you need to wait for a while once it's load up. And this is how it looks like. At the top, you need to search for Facebook and Instagram. Once you search that, you will see something like this, and then on the left side, you will see Facebook and Instagram option over here. So once you click on this Facebook and Instagram, it would take you right over here, and you can see the developer is Meta by itself. So in my opinion, this is one of the best application which you can use for your own purposes, because this application will allow you to run ads from your Shopify also and on your Facebook and Instagram and Facebook Messenger. So this application is allowing us to advertise, or you can say run ads on different platforms by only some few clicks. You don't need to go ahead and do all the settings for every single other platforms. So obviously you can just click on install from over here, and this is free, so everything's good. Once you open up, this is how it looks like. Obviously they are asking for some access for your own Facebook, Instagram, and even Shopify access. Once you do all of that, on the left side of the menu, you will find Facebook and Instagram application. You can ping it, so this will always stay over here. You don't need to go ahead and open up in your, go to settings and opening your application. So you can ping it on the left side of the menu. On the screen, you will find your Facebook account, business account, and terms and condition. We need to create a business Facebook account first of all, obviously, and most of us, we do have Facebook account. The second thing you need to do is to create your own business account. Once you create your Facebook account, what you are going to do, we are going to search for Meta Business Suite on Google, and you will end up over here. This is how it looks like. This is where you can easily create your own business account, and this is what we are going to do. You just need to click on get started, and it will take you right over here. Here you can see at the top we have Facebook page over here, and we have Instagram page also over here. You can connect your Instagram page also by creating your own Instagram account from the existing. Make sure to go ahead and select your existing email, otherwise it won't work. So all of those should have the same email, all those accounts. In my opinion, this is one of the best way to do it. So once you create your account on your Facebook page, Facebook account, and you created your Facebook page also, on the left side of the menu at the top, you can see that this is the arrow. Click on this, and here you can create your business account like I did over here. Just click on create a business account, name that, name your first name and last name and business email, and like I said, use the same email which you are using for other accounts also. So once you do that, all of this, you have your own business account, and this business account can be logged in into this area where you needed your business account, right? So I'm not going to do that all these stuff because these are very basic, and you just need to connect your account, right? Click connect, and they will ask for your login details and then business account details and the terms and conditions. You just need to accept that and click on save. So once you does all of this, go back to your meta page. On the left side of the menu, find your name, and under that click on this gear icon on your business account. Once you does that, on the left side of the menu you will find business settings, requests, and every single details over here, but we need to go for the add account settings. Just click on this option. It will open up in a new window, and you need to create a new ad account setup by clicking add create new over here. You need to select your customers, what are your customers, and if you click on this you can see that your sources and meta sources. So for this tutorial I'm just going to show you, like, this is the website, and click on next. So you can see create a customer, so you can create that from over here. Enter your website URL, which is going to be your Shopify account. Once you does all of this, just click on continue. Once you create your new ad account, on the left side of the menu, hover over it and you will see campaigns option over here. This is where you are going to run ads on your different platforms. You can see you will end up over here right away. I have no campaign for any product right now, but this is how it looks like. I'm going to accept this, and I will show you how it is done. So just need to click on create at the top left corner, and once you click on that you will see something like this. This is where everything is going to be very simple, but we need to understand every single details also. So let's say you want to create an awareness for your brand, or your bring traffic, engagement, leads, and app promotion or sales. So you can see on the right side we are looking at, like, if you choose this option awareness, you can see that it will get you reach, brand awareness, video views, and store location awareness. You can go with the traffic also, like landing pages if you have landing pages, or Messenger, Instagram, and Facebook, WhatsApp calls, Instagram profile visits, link clicks. So you can get the traffic by clicking on this option. We have engagement on the right side. You can see that Messenger, Instagram, it will apply all on these platforms. So like I said this before, this is one of the best out there. So you are going to create a campaign over here which will also work for your Shopify, which I will show you how you can do that, and Instagram and WhatsApp. We have video views, post engagement, conversation calls, and so on with the leads and apps, promotion, sales. So you can go either any one of them. I'm going with the very random, which is going to be awareness, and click on continue. And on the left side you can see that we have already created our first campaign. Now we just need to do some changes over here. Here you can just name your first over here. So I'm going to write demo. After that you need to select your category. You can select that categories from over here, like special ad categories, and we have campaign objectives. So this is what we have selected: awareness, auction, buying type auction, leave it as it is, no need to change anything. We have more options over here. You can campaign spending limit, you can also add that over here. We can just scroll down, and after that just click on next. Once you do that, you have performance goal over here: maximum reach for ads, how much you need it, maximum number of impressions, and maximum ad recall lift. So you can go ahead and select any one of them. And if you don't want that, just click on this option for video view goals. So if you are promoting your views for your video, you can also use these options as well. We have bid control. Like I said, you can also control your money, spending money. We have more options over here. Just click on show more options, and you can see that when you get charged, so whenever it's going to get the impression on your ad, this is where you are going to get charged, otherwise they will not charge you. And we have dynamic creative options over here. If you want to open that, you can also do that. Daily budget spending, which is very important in my opinion, go ahead and do this. And obviously, what why I'm not going to do this, because this is all very basic, and this is all going to be for your own good and the way you are going to manage your own ad. So on the right side you can see the that estimated daily result would be like this. So make sure to check this out as well. So once you does all of this, just click on next again. And the last part is to see how your ad will look like. Here you can select your Facebook page, or you can connect an account from your Instagram as well. After that, what you're going to do, you are going to tell the ad setup how it looks like single image or a video or cursor. On the right side you can see how it looks, how it's going to be look like. And if you select on the collection, what it would do, it would all your collection on your Shopify will end up over here. So obviously, if you have connected your Shopify, all the products will also show up over here. So make sure to go ahead and select a single image and start editing accordingly. So once you all does all of this, and make sure to add your website URL, which is going to be your Shopify URL. And once you does all of this, just click on publish. So once you create your own ad, this is how it looks like: ad set, delivery, bid strategy, budget, whatever you have set for your own purposes, this would show up over here. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to run Facebook ads for Shopify. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.